What if I need to travel to Canada for work or an emergency? If it has been less than 5 years from the date you completed the sentence on your DUI, or if it has been longer but you're required to travel to Canada for a family emergency, important family event, important work-related business, or some other significant reason, you require a temporary resident permit or TRP. The application for this permit requires that the Canadian government believe that your need to be in Canada is greater than the risk of your re-offending in Canada. Reasons for travel must be well documented for this application, otherwise it risks refusal. How does Canada know I had a conviction in the past? Obviously, your DUI conviction is not stamped on your forehead. Most people watching this video are casual travelers to Canada, and their inadmissibility will only be discovered at the Canadian border. Since September 11th, the Canadian border agents have had access to the FBI's database. This allows them, by scanning a passport or enhanced driver's license, to see any offenses dating back to a person's 18th birthday. Travelers arriving by air or by sea will also be on a passenger manifest that is sent to the Canada Border Services Agency, CBSA, which means that they can be searched before arrival. For travelers arriving by car, passports are scanned at the port of entry, at which point an officer makes an inadmissibility determination. Just because the land and car crossings do not have advance notice of a traveler's arrival does not mean that they will not be able to find out about a previous conviction. In Colorado, DMV convictions are different than criminal convictions because of the burden of proof. It's easier to prove an offense at the DMV level, but not to worry. Canada only has access to the FBI's database, which only shows criminal convictions. A lot of clients call me and say, "I've traveled back and forth since my conviction with no problem at all, and then all of a sudden I was stopped." This is because they were not fully screened by chance on their first trip. It doesn't mean that they were admissible before, it just means that they weren't caught. Prior travel to Canada does not ever guarantee re-entry.